How to select multiple files on Mac at once using keyboard. To select multiple files on Mac using only the keyboard, you could use the command and the shift key. Now here's what you'll need to do is, first of all, you want to click on the first file that you want to select, and after which you simply want to go ahead and hold down the command key. As you hold down the command key and click on each additional files you want to select, this will select non-adjacent file. Now what you need to do is, after which you want to click on the first file in the range, then you simply want to hold down the shift key. Then you simply want to click on the shift key and click on the last file in the range. All the files between the first and last clicked files will be selected. Then you simply want to go ahead and press the command A or to select the file. Then you simply want to go ahead and press the command A to select all files in the current row or windows. And this is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.